Have you ever wondered what it really takes to live a long, vibrant life, maybe even to 100 years old or more? Today we're pulling back the curtain and exposing the real reasons some people not only reach a century, but do so with energy, joy, and a zest for life that's truly inspiring. These are the secrets of the world's longest living people, and you might be surprised by how simple and powerful they are. If you're curious about how to add more healthy, happy years to your life, you need to hear these longevity secrets. These aren't just tips. They're life-changing habits, backed by science, and lived out every day by real people in the world's so-called blue zones, where living to 100 is not just a dream but a common reality. Let's start with the foundation of longevity: what you eat. First, eat mostly plants. Think fruits, veggies, and beans. This isn't about strict diets or deprivation. It's about filling your plate with colorful, nutrient-rich foods that nourish your body from the inside out. In places like Okinawa, Japan, and Sardinia, Italy, people enjoy meals packed with leafy greens, sweet potatoes, beans, and a rainbow of fruits. These foods are loaded with antioxidants, fiber, and vitamins that help fight disease, keep your heart healthy, and even slow down the aging process. Imagine starting your day with a bowl of fresh fruit, enjoying a hearty bean stew for lunch, and snacking on crunchy vegetables in the afternoon. These simple choices add up over time, fueling your body with everything it needs to thrive. And the best part, you don't have to give up all your favorite foods. Just make plants the star of your meals, and you'll be following in the footsteps of the world's healthiest centenarians. People in the world's longest living communities do this every day. They shop at local markets, cook together as families, and savor meals slowly, enjoying both the food and the company. It's not just about what you eat, but how you eat. Taking time to appreciate your food, sharing it with loved ones, and making mealtimes a joyful social experience. Next, let's talk about movement. Move your body often, but don't worry, you don't need to run marathons or spend hours at the gym. The secret is to weave gentle, natural movement into your daily life. In blue zones, people walk to visit friends, tend their gardens, and do light chores around the house. These small bursts of activity keep their bodies strong, flexible, and resilient. It doesn't have to be hardcore, just walking, gardening, or dancing counts. Even simple activities like stretching in the morning, taking the stairs instead of the elevator, or playing with your grandchildren can make a big difference. The key is consistency. Moving a little bit every day adds up to a lifetime of health and vitality. And here's something you might not expect. The world's longest living people don't just exercise for the sake of it. They move because it's part of their daily routine, woven into the fabric of their lives. Whether it's tending a vegetable patch, walking to a neighbor's house, or dancing at a community festival, movement is joyful, social, and meaningful. Now here's a big one. Stay social. Human connection is one of the most powerful predictors of a long, happy life. In every blue zone, you'll find people surrounded by friends, family, and community. They gather for meals, celebrate milestones together, and support each other through life's ups and downs. Having close friends and family can actually add years to your life. Studies show that people with strong social ties are less likely to suffer from heart disease, depression, and even dementia. They recover faster from illness, cope better with stress, and enjoy a greater sense of purpose and belonging. So, make time for the people who matter most. Call a friend, invite your family over for dinner, or join a local club or group. It's not just about having people around, it's about building deep, meaningful relationships that lift you up and help you weather life's storms. And don't forget purpose. Having a reason to get up every morning keeps your mind and body young. In blue zones, people often have a strong sense of purpose, whether it's caring for grandchildren, volunteering in their community, or pursuing a lifelong passion. This sense of meaning gives them energy, motivation, and a positive outlook on life. Take a moment to think about what gives your life meaning. It could be your family, your work, your hobbies, or your faith. Whatever it is, nurture it. Set goals, try new things, and stay curious. Having a purpose doesn't just add years to your life, it adds life to your years. Last tip: chill out. Stress ages you fast, so find ways to relax and laugh more. Chronic stress can take a serious toll on your body, speeding up aging and increasing your risk of disease. But the world's longest living people have mastered the art of unwinding. They meditate, pray, spend time in nature, and make laughter a daily habit. Try simple relaxation techniques like deep breathing, gentle stretching, or listening to music. Spend time with people who make you laugh, and don't be afraid to let go of things you can't control. Remember, it's not about eliminating stress completely, it's about finding healthy ways to cope and bounce back. Living to 100 isn't just about luck. It's about tiny, daily choices. Every healthy meal, every walk in the park, every shared laugh, and every moment of purpose adds up. These small habits, practiced day after day, create a foundation for a long, fulfilling life. And remember, it's never too late to start. Whether you're 20 or 80, you can begin making changes today that will pay off for years to come. Start with one habit, maybe adding more veggies to your meals, calling a friend, or taking a short walk, and build from there. Over time, these little steps become a way of life. Try these today, and who knows? You might discover new passions, make new friends, and feel more energetic than you have in years. The journey to 100 starts with a single step, and every step counts. So, what are you waiting for? Start living like a centenarian today, and you might just blow out 100 candles one day. Imagine the stories you'll tell, the memories you'll make, and the legacy you'll leave behind. The secret to a long, happy life isn't hidden in a pill or a fountain of youth. It's right here in the choices you make every single day. Here's to your health, your happiness, and your next 100 years.